Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on Fluxer. So let's go right into it. So let's say we are here in a group we created or we joined, and yeah, we don't get it with one friend or something, and you want to block him. Is simply here you will find them, a bunch of them here. And now what you can do is just select the name and then right click on it, and here you have block with the red color. So if you click on that, you will then won't be able to message or send you a friend request or messages and so on. And yeah, this is basically how you can block someone. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.